Yeah, welcome to the DURGASOFT. So today we are starting first class, that is digital marketing with AI tools. Okay. Today we'll understand the basics of the digital marketing, and also we'll understand the how search engine works. What is search engine and how search engine works, right? So if you have any questions, you can ask me at any point of time, or even after the class also you can ask. Okay. So let us deep dive. So search engine. Okay, first is search engine. So when actual search engine started? In search engine actually started in the year of 1994. So first search engine is Archi. Okay, it was started in the year 1994, and it was what is the main function of the search engine is to provide the data or website links to the people. Okay, website links to the people. So people used to come and see. Earlier, the only this was a new technology on that time, and they used to see the keywords and everything. Earlier, they only visited different sites, but here search engine, when they are typing the keywords, all the websites are able to see it. Okay. Later on, some other search engines also came, like Yahoo. Okay, every lot of people know what is Yahoo. In 1995, it is launched, and later on, it was in till 2010. It was a very good search engine. So Yahoo is a mixture of search engine and information. Okay, so if it is a mixture of all the categories also, you can able to see it. Okay, so Google was not introduced till that time, and when Google got into search engine, Google started their business in 1998. Okay, 1998, by two founders. One is Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Okay, these are the two founders started their journey. Two co-founders started their journey. Okay, okay. Now what? Now Google is number one in the search engine. Okay, the search engines, you see lot of search engines, but Google is providing updating information to the users every time. It is giving a new features to the users, so that people can be able to make it, and whatever the choices it is giving, that is giving a very fruitful also, and people are also very happy about the Google. Okay, so now 2020, 2023, what happened? Now we have started Chat GPT. Okay, 22, 23, Chat GPT came. Now it is a AI model, completely AI model. Okay, so it is giving the information. Earlier, search engines only gives the information about the website links. Here, what the Chat GPT model is giving, or the AMA only, is giving the briefing of the information. For example, if you want digital marketing course, okay, so you are searching in any search engine. So what it provides, it provides a ranking order, all the website links, right? But ChatGPT is giving directly what is digital marketing course and what the duration is, how the what are the syllabus includes. Everything is given in a synopsis way, so that people understand it there then and there. In search engines, what are happening? We have to go to two or three websites, or even more also. But this AI model is giving the most information. Okay, so that is why it becoming popular now. So what is the future of the SEO? So there is much future, and the upgradation will come. It is lot of people saying that SEO will be dead. No SEO will be there. No, it is not like that. The upgradations will be there. Even Google is fighting for that. Okay, Google is not leaving anything. Google is a big company. Okay, so it is also in the race. Okay, tomorrow you can find, instead of SEO, you can see the AEO. Okay, the people are seeing means sorry, AEO. Yeah, AEO means artificial engine optimization. So here some of the AIs are providing some different website links also. So tomorrow, which website, from which website it is takes and gives the some information. So in future, it's still not predicted, but the things, the model will be different in coming days. We need to see what will happen. So you need to be updated every time. Okay, so here you need to be updated because of the technology advancements every time. What are the changes are happening across the globe or across the, um, in your technology or in your field, you need to understand. Okay, so this was some history of the search engines, and now we'll see how the search engines will work. So anybody has any doubts on this? So if you have any doubts, we'll discuss, or else I'll go ahead. Okay, fine. I'll go ahead. Okay. So how search engine works? Okay. How search engine works. This is a main thing you need to understand. So why you need this one? So you need this one because first thing is, whenever you are doing SEO, this will be very valid. So you tomorrow, what exactly happened, how the algorithm is behaving, you know the structure of the algorithm. Okay, in that way you can able to get it, that information. Tomorrow you are doing SEO, it will be very easy for you to understand. So here search engine algorithm is nothing but, here search engine is also known as bot or spider. Okay, some people say bot, spider, or algorithm. Okay, algo. So whatever the name they are telling. Okay, what they do. Okay, these bots will come to our websites. In that websites, they will crawl, they will index, they will give the information. These kind of activities it will do. So what it will do? First, these bots will crawl. Okay, crawl. That is called crawling. Also, we can say the bot will crawl your website, or it want to not only crawling your website, it it is want to discover your website. Okay, second thing is indexing. So what is indexing? It is something like storing. Okay, storing the data in a format manner. Okay, okay. Finally, we have search algorithm. Okay, so what it does is, so search algorithm does, it is a providing the information to the users in a ranking order. Okay, so these are the three kind of softwares used in the search engine. Okay, these are different and they do their work easily. Okay, so first algorithm is works, this works on the discovery. So what these bots do, they crawl means in in the okay, so what they will do, they crawl across the internet. So bots crawl the across internet. So I can give the picture also so that you can understand. bot scrolling. Here I will do the images. So it is just like here scrolling we can see. Okay. Here this is the thing. Okay. So this is the image. Okay. See. So here the bots will crawl. Okay, they will go to different websites. They want to understand which website is come to the internet. See, lot of website daily they are updating their websites. Okay, lot of websites are there updating website or new websites are coming into internet. So these bots wants to that information. Okay, it will discover your website. Okay, it is the job to get any website comes or any link comes in the internet. It will crawl it. What is a crawl? Crawl is nothing but it will read your website. How it reads? It reads your codes. Okay, HTML. Websites are written in the HTML, CSS, and other coding. Okay, it knows coding. It will understand that coding language, and it understands what exactly your website into. For example, we'll go to Amazon. So this is a website we are able to see it. Okay, physically we are able to find out what the products are, what are the different products are, right? So we can identify the products, but bot doesn't understand this language. If you go to the coding part, this is the coding part. Okay, so here it is written in the HTML, completely HTML. So what the bot will do? So it will go to the title. Okay, here the title. So here it will crawl means it will read the information. Okay, crawling in the sense it will read the information. What exactly it will read? It will read the information stating that online shopping site in India. Okay, so they are providing mobiles, books, watches, shoes, and etc. Okay, these are the information provided by the uh, Amazon. Okay, so now bot knows through crawling, it knows what exactly your website is, whether it's a online website, whether it's a educational website, whether news website, or you are a professional website or a hospital, college, whatever. Okay, so through this it will understand. Okay, and here you can see the description as well. Okay, here they are stating that online shopping, what are the products are available. Okay, these are some of the elements of the website. So it will read those elements, understand properly about the website. So what is the property of the bot? It crawls the across the internet. So whichever the websites are updating, or which are the websites, new websites are coming on the internet, it will crawl the those websites. So after that, it understand the website. So next stage is comes the indexing. Now it is crawled. Okay, your website is crawled. After that, what they do, they transfer to the indexing. Okay, so what the indexing will do? Here, indexing will do the next process is that storing information. What it store, for example, as I said, online shopping. Okay, so what is Amazon? Amazon is an online shopping site. Okay. So what are the products in are there like mobiles, okay, books, okay, and TVs, clothing, etc. Okay. Like this, many products are there in the Amazon. So it will index those pages. Okay. It index these pages. What are the pages are available? Separate pages also there in the Amazon. This is a home page only. Okay. If I click this page, this is a refrigerator page. This is a refrigerator page. Okay. And if I go to the particular product also, that product, if I click on this, I went to the this particular product also. Okay, so what this page is, Samsung refrigerator. So these pages also crawled and indexed accordingly. Whenever users are searching, what they search, some people search Samsung refrigerators. Okay, some people may search for 180 liters also. Some people search 4-star rating also. Some people search for single door. Some will search for price. Okay, like this. Different people searches different information. So where these are stored, everything is stored in the indexing. Indexing is a formatted way. So whenever, example, we can take a library. When you go to the library, how the books are formatted in a perfect way. So each book is a in a different racks. So it is also um, your websites also, your web pages also is put in that special formatting way, so that whenever users searches that information and it gives easily. So where they are stored, all these stores in their servers. Which servers, which search engine product. For example, Google search engine bot indexing means your data is stored in the Google servers. Okay. Then after that only your website can be shown to the user. If it is, if for example your website is not seen by bot or it is not indexed, your you will not, your website will be not seen by this user. Okay, until unless he knows your website address. For example, my website is abc.com. Okay, he has to type abc.com only, then only he can see my website. But whenever user types, okay, laptops or mobile phones or digital marketing, whatever the keywords in the search engine, there he will not find the website. Why? Because Google never discover your website, and it doesn't crawl your website, and also did not index your website. So these are the things you need to understand as a SEO professional. As a SEO professional, what you need to do? So you need to identify whether my website is crawled or not, or indexed or not, or showing or not. Whenever user is searching, my website is showing or not. How that can be known? So we have a one Google tool called Google Search Algorithm. Okay, Search Console. Okay, through Google Search Console, we can able to find how many pages. Okay, how many pages have been crawled and how many pages are indexed, and where it is showing what keywords user is typing, which pages are showing. All this information it will show to you. As a SEO professional, you have to take this report and you need to analyze and you have to go ahead. Sometimes what happened, Google not able, it discover your website or it will crawl your website, but it will not index because some issues will be there in the your websites. You need to resolve those issues. That issues also be clearly visible in the Google Search Console. So after SEO, we will go for Google Search Console also. How to find this one, how the crawling is happening and indexing is happening. Then you can able to do very quickly. And tomorrow your website also may rank in the first place. Okay. So these are the two things we have learned. What is crawling and indexing. Later, what is the other thing is search algorithm. So what is search algorithm? So search algorithm is nothing but here user. Okay, user is searching. Okay, what he searches, keywords. Okay, whenever he searches or whenever he Google some information, so what search algorithm will provide the website links. Okay, so which order, it provides in a ranking order. Okay, simple, you can say ranking order. What is that? So for example, I have I want to learn Java course. For example, I want to learn Java course. Okay, in online. I want to learn Java course online. So whenever I search this information, so here I can see some of the website link. These are called organic. Okay. From here you can see some of the websites. So where people can able to find their uh, this website, and they can go to this website, and if they are feel comfortable or everything is okay, they will join the course as well. Okay. So these are the websites providing by the Google. Okay. So according to the ranking order, how it is decided according to ranking order? So it is decided by the relevancy. First thing is ranking order is decided by relevancy. Okay. What is relevancy? Okay. What is relevancy? Relevancy is nothing but uh, whenever user type some keyword like Java course, here he typed the Java course only, then that information only it is showing. So it is not showing about digital marketing, it is not showing about mobile phones, it is showing only that related information only on the search engine. So in that way, users are satisfied. Okay, users are satisfied because what they are searching that is coming, and now they have a choice. Okay, now they have a choice to go to any one of the website they can visit, and they can go through the this kind of information. Okay, so uh, as a professional, you need to understand the website relevancy. You need to improve the relevancy of the website. How to improve the relevancy? So here comes the relevancy. So how to improve the relevancy? Through keywords or signals, keyword signals or some signals. Okay, through keywords. Simple, we can say keywords. So how, what are these keywords? How the keywords will play important role? Everything we will learn in the coming days. Okay. So how to do these things? Through on page. Okay. When you do the on page, here in SEO we have it on page, off page, and technical SEO. Through on page, you will find what is the best keyword. Okay, that is called keyword research. You will do the keyword research perfectly, and that keyword you will place on the website, then the relevancy will improve. Just like this, for example, here what they did, so they did online shopping site in India. They have typed, they have put this keyword here, and also online shopping in India. Okay, the same keyword here and here also they have placed, and here also they provide mobile phones, books, watches, and all this. Here also they provided same thing and extra thing also. So this is a kind of a relevancy. Okay, here title also same and description also same, and when you go to the page, that also will be similar, so that Google understand. So the user is searching this information, this website should be shown to the user. So who is doing the better, and that website will be improved, and that website will be ranking higher. Okay. So how to do the on page, how, what are the different things we will understand, what are these website elements and everything, we will go in a perfect way in the coming days. Okay, right. Next is what? Okay, only relevancy is only the matter. No, other is the location factors also influence the ranking. Okay, what is the location factors? What are the location factors? For example, I am looking online, so it is showing the online websites only. So, for example, I am looking for course in Delhi. All Delhi websites only will come. If I'm looking Java course in Hyderabad, I will see all the website related to the Hyderabad only. So, what it is showing? according to the location preference of the user. Here, uh, uh, user also preferring that location only. Okay, so Google will provide that information also. These are some of the factors. It is not only two factors. We have a many factors in influences the searches. Okay, so you need to understand what exactly algorithm is showing to us. Now we can able to understand little bit with this topic. You will not understand 100%, but here you will understand little bit of the knowledge, right? Later on, whenever you are going for on page and off page and technical SEO, there you can able to find out very easily. It will understand, these concepts will be understand by you very easily. Okay, then what are the other factors? Other factors are links. Okay, what are these links? Links are nothing but website link. Link is nothing but, so we are in online. Okay, so we are in online. Our website is online. So website should have the authority. What is authority? Authority is nothing but it should have a good kind of a reference. Okay, reference. Who will give the reference for us? So other website should give the reference. How they give? So we have a some things like a off page factors. Okay, in the off page, what we will do? We will improve the website authority and get the links from the other websites. Okay, those are called what we call backlinks. Okay, these are called backlinks. When you see when you see these backlinks, you have a very good backlinks, that is quality backlinks. Then your website also ranking. So when the bot, for example, here in internet or in search engine cannot differentiate what is Amazon website or what is abc.com. Okay, the two sites also same for them. It doesn't identify Amazon is a big brand or it doesn't understand ABC is a small company. So it only understands how many quality backlinks ABC has or Amazon has. If ABC has more backlinks, quality backlinks coming to compared to the Amazon, then your website may rank higher than the Amazon also. Okay, so that is the thing. So that is the power of SEO. Here you have seen many times, lot of times, whatever the websites you know that coming listing third place or fourth place or fifth place, the and but you don't know what is the name of the website that are coming on the top of the web page. So how it is happened? Through like this only, because they will have a better backlinks, quality backlinks. Through this, they will get the good kind of things. Okay, these are the what are the factors influence. One is relevancy, location, CTR, and one more thing is very crucial in the uh, SEO is CTR. Okay, so what is CTR? So CTR is nothing but click through rate. Okay, what is this click through rate? Okay, so here, for example, how a click through rate can be obtained. Okay, so here, as earlier I said, through Search Console. Okay, in Search Console, you can see the click-through rate. Okay, so Google Search Console is one kind of a tool. There you can see the CTR. So how CTR can be seen through, there is a one formula called that is clicks by impressions. Okay, so when you have higher CTR, when you have higher CTR, then you are also ranked in a above other websites. If you don't have that much CTR, for example, I have two websites. One is abc.com and another is xyz.com. Okay, two websites are there. For example, if CTR, for example, 10% CTR is there for abc.com. If 15% CTR is there for XYZ. So which will be higher? Anybody?
XYZ.
Yeah, correct, correct. So why? Because it is having a higher CTR. So here Google bot will understand this is having a higher CTR. Okay, it it shows above this. Okay, so now Google shows X. Now it will show first rank is given to the XYZ and second rank given to the abc.com. Okay, like this, lot of ranking factors affect our SEO. So you need to understand all these things and how to do the SEO proper way, and these kind of things will uh, able to do. You need sorry, you can understand easily. Okay, and so this is a these are the some of the factors of the search engine, how it works. Okay, so I'm summarizing once again. So how search engine works here, there are three kind of a softwares. One is crawling. It only discover your website through the different links. Okay, so it will want to catch your website, or it will discover whatever the website through the other website links. Okay, it crawls across the internet. Okay, next is the storing. So indexing is nothing but storing in a format order, so that whenever users are searching, your information can be easily retrieved. Okay, where they're stored in their search engines. If it is a Google servers. Okay, third thing is here provides the information. Whenever user searches the information, the website links appear in a this kind of a whoever doing a good kind of SEO in terms of relevancy, in terms of location factors, in terms of links, or in terms of CTR. These are the major factors, and other factors also influence. It is not only these four factors, but these are the major four factors we need to understand. Okay, so this is all about how search engine works. Okay, anybody has any doubts on this?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you. So next is we'll understand the SEO. Okay. So what is SEO and what are the types of SEOs, and how to do the SEO? Okay. First is what is SEO? Anybody? What is SEO? Search engine optimization.
Yes, sir. Search engine optimization. Improving a website visuality or
Yes.
search engine result page.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So here, why any business person or any company want to do SEO? Okay. So here, the only the thing is they want to, if anybody searching, my website should come in the first. That is the thing. If I come in the first position, what happens? For example, here you see. So here the users is searching online, and okay, when he's searching on the online, for example, this website is your website, means lot of people will come and click your website. Okay, so and if they click, what happened? They come to your website. From there, whatever the information, if you are providing perfectly, sorry, if you are providing information, your content is good content, and the people can join your courses. That is the yes, that is why they want to do the SEO. Okay, so you can see a lot of websites. Apart from this, these 10 websites, you can see the other pages also, but none of them want. And here, Google is only saying there are about 90% people, more than 95% people will not go to the second page. Okay, only first page will go 90%. Okay, 90% people will stay in the first page only. They never go to the second page. Okay, that
Sir,
is.
only 10 results on per page. So,
Yes, 10 results per page only, not more than that. Okay. So
okay.
that is why people want to do the SEO. That is why you are being hired. You are being taken into the company. Okay. So now your role starts here. So for example, your website is placed in, for example, your website is on 10th page. Okay. Now what is your duty? Your duty is to come to at least first page. Here you need to come. How to come? So there are three types of SEOs you need to do. One is on page, okay. Second is off page, and third one is technical SEO. Okay, these three things are very crucial for the doing to come wherever the website is, whether it is 10th page or 100 position, whatever the position it is, whatever the page it is, or today you are today you have created your website. Okay, then your duty to come that website into the number one spot. That is the only the criteria as of now. That is your KPI. Okay. So what exactly you need to do? So from day one, you need to start understanding the all these three concepts. First is on page, off page, and technical SEO. What is on page? In on page, what exactly you will do? You will do first is all the keywords. Okay, you are working on your page only. What page? For example, if this is your page, okay, this is the your page, this is your keyword. Okay, this is for this keyword your website should appear. Okay, you need to understand the behavior. First is you need to understand the behavior of the keyword. Okay, what are the different keyword? This is only one keyword, and usually people will not type single keyword. He will search different keywords as well. So we need to understand what are the other keywords apart from this. Okay, some users are searching online free and certification and free Java, fees, beginners, certification, compiler, like this. Many other keywords also they are searching. Okay, so according to that you need to understand. Okay, so in this, which keyword I should pick up? Okay, here there are about 10 to 15 keywords are there. Which keyword I need to take? Okay, whether this is the keyword only I need to take, or this keyword I need to take, or which certificate I need to take. So which usually users are searching, and how that will be known? Through keyword research. Okay, what is that? Keyword research you need to do. How to conduct keyword research? We have a one tool called Google. What is that keyword? Google Keyword Planner. Okay, so we have a Google Keyword Planner. Okay, so through this you need to go to the Google Keyword Planner. Then when you click on the Google Keyword Planner, you go to that particular page, and here what you will see. Okay, here you see the different types of keywords. For example, for Java course online, you will see another 30 keywords, just like similar keywords. Okay, where users are searching. What information it will provide? First is they provide keyword. So for example, they provide the keyword. Okay, which keyword user is typing. Apart from that, it also provides the monthly searches, monthly searches, or volume we can say. Okay, what is volume, or we can say traffic also. Okay, so here each keyword has a own traffic. Okay, for this keyword the people may search in online 3000 or 4000 or 10 lakhs also, depends on the how much people popular that keyword is. Okay, we can't know by just seeing. I can't say that this keyword is a 1000 or 10,000 or 20,000. You need to go to this keyword planner. There Google itself it is showing, it is not a other platform, it is showing Google itself saying that these many people are searching. Okay, according to that, that volume is very very important for you, because the traffic is that much important. Then you can pick up in these 30 keywords which are popular keywords, which are having a highest traffic. For example, so here Java course online, one keyword is there. Okay, with a volume monthly searches 5,000. Okay, another is there Java course online fees. Okay, for this they are searching 4,500. Okay, so which one we need to pick up now? Here you are seeing by quantity. Okay, this many people are searching. Here you will go for this keyword, you can pick up this one. Okay, like this we have a other factors also. So how to do the keyword research and how pick up will go in the coming classes. Clearly we'll understand what exactly this volume or monthly searches, and how to pick up the right keyword for our uh, website where users are searching, and tomorrow they are they are converting also. People comes to the website is not only our job. Here our job is to give a revenue to the website. Okay, if you are giving a revenue only, you are being doing a good job. Okay, you are getting a lot of traffic, but the people are not converting. So what happened? People are not joining your courses. What happened? That is a utter failure for your website. Okay, so that type of things you need to work. Okay, so here we will work on the keyword planner. We will do the keyword research, and we will pick up the best keywords. That what I will do this with this keyword. So what I will do, I will implement on the website. Which website? On the website. On the website, what I will do, so I will go for keyword placement. Okay, so first is keyword research. I will do, I will pick up the, this is the right keyword for me. So this is keyword where I will do, I will place the keyword on the website. Okay, on this page only. For example, my page is abc.com. So in that page, I will put all the these keywords only. Okay, so that what happened? It increases the relevancy. What it will go? It will increases the relevancy, and after that, the people can see our website and come to our website and click on, and our CTR also improves, and there on our after that our ranking also goes higher side. Okay, that kind of things we will do. So in on page, what are the two things we will do? First is keyword research, and second is keyword placement. Okay, keyword placement. Okay, so how to do and where to do, how to implement all these things, we'll go to the, will easily find out and do in the coming classes. And what is hub page? Hub page is all about the links. Okay, so backlinks. So it is all about backlinks. How to get these backlinks? We have a different submissions. Okay, so we need to submit our websites in a different websites in order to get the authority. So what are these different submissions we will understand, and we will get the higher authority on the online. Okay. And last thing is, in technical SEO, what you will do, it is more on mobile. Okay. Mobile and page loading. Okay. What is this page loading? For example, my abc.com. My website is opening, the website is visible to the customer, but he clicked on the website. What customer clicked on the website? Okay. So my website is opening in 20 seconds. Okay. How many seconds? 20 seconds. So nowadays people will not have that much in the what we say, that uh, time they will not allocate. If they are not opening, they just go away with other website. Okay. So they will not stay up to loading until 20 seconds. Okay. So they go away your website, then you are using your one user. Okay. So what Google is saying, your website loading should be below 3 seconds. How much? Below 3 seconds. Okay. So now what you need to do, why the 20 seconds are happening? Why your loading factor is that much problem? Why Google is saying 3 seconds? Why our website is not loading that much fast? So we need to do some analysis, and after that we'll get some conclusions and we will implement on the these kind of things. And tomorrow your website also opens in 3 seconds. Then your website will be easily opened by the users. And same, you can, after coming to the website, the people show your interest and they will join your courses or buy your products, whatever it may. Okay. So this is today's class. Okay. Tomorrow we will go for another class. Okay. So tomorrow we will go for what are the keywords. Okay. Different types of keyword research. Okay. How to do the Google Keyword Planner and how to do the keyword research. We'll see coming class. Okay. So any doubts? Anybody? Any doubts? Okay. Fine.